This is Joe Beardmaster here. We got a Dodge Dakota pickup. I'm going to show you how to take this tail light out to change the bulb. First thing you want to do is open the tailgate, which we already did here. And if you look inside, you'll see there's two screws right there, and they're a Torx head. And I happen to have one here. I'll show you it. Sort of a star head. See that? Torx. On this one they use the number 27 Torx. So we're going to stick that in there and basically, oh, I'm wrong. It's actually a different Torx head. It's actually smaller than the 27. I can't read the number on there. Sorry about that. So it's just a little smaller size. We're going to take that out. I'm going to take the other one out. A little tight. You can see the light's already starting to move. See, it's loose. Now, if this light, like all lights, there's usually little clips in here on the light and it goes into a socket, so you have to sort of give it a little bang with your hand here as you're pulling it. So we're going to do that. So you want to kind of pull it out to get these tabs out. And once you get that, give it a pull. And if you can see these pins here, they hold it in.
And the pins plug into these little holes here.
They're
like just kind of little gripper things.
If you want to change the bulb, basically twist this out. Sometimes they get a little stuck. And there's your bulb. Just pull it straight out and you can see there's a little number on that bulb. You can take it to your local supply house, or you can tell them which model truck it came from, and then you replace it. So that's pretty much it.
You put it in, it'll only go in one way. The little the markers are only one size, so it goes in one way, and you just turn it.
You got to kind of match it up. The socket has the same pattern. Sometimes it's tough, but it's really basic. This wire's been spliced before, making it a little harder. Get that in. Now we're going to put the screws back. Well, you can literally replace this light bulb in 2 minutes. Do the last one. Screw that back in. Sometimes over the years, people change the screws and it gets a little warped. Because they don't put them in right, so it gets a little stripped, but this one's okay. And that's it.